All right, we're doing our Windy Day J Trail today. And our target is Miss Prim. So excited to do this. Here we go. We got a good amount of wind, gusts up to 20-25 miles per hour. And here we go. You ready to work? Yes, you are. Take set. Yeah. Oh, you know that one, don't ya? You know that one, don't ya? Yeah, there it is. Oh, gosh. All right. And drag it, John Henry. You go get her. So they went straight out this way, did a nice J, and they're over here. Nice J shape. He's already cutting. Already cutting. They went all the way over there. Let me slow him. Yep. Yep, he did it. That was easy.
The back of the truck.
Oh, that's okay. He gets to say hi to Prim. Yeah, good boy, good boy, good boy. We got treats. You can give him more. There.